Reprogramming the ECU on a McLaren using the Diagcode McLaren diagnostic tool. We connect to the ECU. Identification starts automatically. The software detects the ECU part number, and you can see the reprogramming date of the current software version, here from January 24th, 2017. Then comes the calibration ID, 11M2569CP.05. Now we start the reprogramming. The software guides us step by step, showing the current version and automatically suggesting the correct one for this vehicle. You can also choose another version manually if needed. From here, the process continues automatically, fast, precise, and reliable. Reprogramming starts. The software writes the new firmware, aligns the immobilizer, and restores full communication. Once completed, the ECU is fully synchronized, the vehicle starts normally, all DTCS are cleared, and performance is back to factory level. Reprogramming finished successfully. Now we can see the software date has changed to August 28, 2025, confirming the ECU was reprogrammed correctly and the update is complete. Find more at our website, diagcode.com.